Hello, dear students. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Superb English Education for more educational and information-based videos. In this video, we will learn some MCQs of B.Ed Second Year 205 History Method. Question number 1. Vedic literature is also known as. Our options are A. Shruti, B. Smriti, C. Sanhita, and D. Vedang. So, correct option is A. Shruti. Question number 2. Who was the founder of Vedic culture? Our options are A. Dravid, B. Arya, C. Harappan, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Arya. Question number 3. Which of the following is the major impact of Vedic culture on Indian history? Our options are A. Progress of philosophy, B. Development of culture, C. Rigidification of caste system, and D. Perception of a new world. So correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which of the following raw material was not used by the Indus Valley civilization? Options are A. Limestone, B. Redstone, C. Bronze, and D. Clay. Correct answer is A. Limestone. Question number 5. Which of the following technique used for making bronze statues during Harappa civilization? Our options are A. Lost wax casting, B. Stone carving, C. Wood carving, and D. Ivory carving. Correct option is A. Lost wax casting. Question number 6. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in. Options are A. 1911, B. 1921, C. 1931, and D. 1941. Correct option is B. 1921. Question number 7. The people of Indus Valley civilization were almost. Options are A. Negroid, B. Proto-Australoid, C. Mediterranean, and D. Nordic. Correct option is C. Mediterranean. Question number 8. Harappa is located on the bank of river. Options are A. Indus, B. Ravi, C. Bias, and D. Satluj. Correct option is B. Ravi. Question number 9. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? Our options are A. Mahapadmananda, B. Shishanaga, C. Dhananand, and D. Nandivardhan. So correct option is A. Mahapadmananda. Question number 10. Which among the following dynasty is known to have constructed the temples at Khajuraho? Our options are A. Chandelas, B. Chauhans, C. Pratiharas, and D. Rashtrakutas. So correct option is A. Question number 11. First country to undergo industrial revolution is. Our options are A. Japan, B. Britain, C. Germany, and D. France. So correct option is B. Britain. Question number 12. It is the first industrial city in England. Our options are A. Manchester, B. London, C. Oxford, and D. Wales. So correct answer is B. London. So London is the first industrial city in England. Question number 13. On what date was the Declaration of American Independence signed? Options are A. July 4, 1775, B. July 4, 1776, C. July 4, 1777, and D. July 4, 1986. So correct option is B. Question number 14. Which group of people did not join the Jacobin Club? Options are A. Artisan, B. Shopkeepers, C. Daily wage workers, and D. Men with property. So correct answer is D. Men with property. Question number 15. French women demanded the right. Options are A. To vote, B. to be elected to assembly, C. to hold political office, and D. all of the above. So correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 16. The third estate comprised A. poor servants and small peasants, landless laborers, B. peasants and artisans, C. big businessmen, merchants and lawyers, and D. all of the above. So correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 17. Which organization is termed as a child of war? Our options are A. UN, B. League of Nations, C. SAARC, and D. WHO. So correct answer is B. League of Nations. Question number 18. Oral histories can be based on. Our options are A. Interview with people, B. Songs, C. Stories and tales, and D. all of the above. So correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 19. Which of the following are correctly matched? A. States Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Provincial Constitution Committee, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Drafting Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and D. Rules of Procedure Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Our options are 1. A, B, C, 2nd, B, C, 3rd, A, B, D, and 4. all of the above. So correct answer is 4. all of the above is correct. So all these are correctly matched. Question number 20. Who became the first Minister of Education in Indian government? Options are A. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, B. Dr. K.L. Shrimali, C. Shri Humayun Kabir, and D. Shri M.C. Chagla. So correct answer is A. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad.